I got this awesome new item for you today. This is the OKP K5 Pro robotic vacuum cleaner and mop. It comes packaged in this nice box with a carrying handle. Let's see what's all included. It comes with this nice quick start guide. Comes with the instructions. The charger, the mop bracket. It comes with 4 brushes, a cleaning tool, the charger base, and the robot vacuum cleaner. Let's take a closer look. This is a real high quality robotic vacuum cleaner. This is an upgrade over the K5 version. This is the K5 Pro. It has a little bit better suction than the K5. And the battery life on this thing is amazing. If you really want to deep clean your house, this is the vacuum for you. First, you want to install the brushes on the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. They just pop right on. These wheels on the bottom are rubber and rigid. They'll grip many different surfaces. And also the wheel up top, it rotates 360 degrees. So once you get your brushes installed, if you want to use the mop feature, all you do is clip it in the back. It clips right on the back, and my favorite feature about this is magnetic. You just put your wet mop pad in there, and it clips right in, and you're ready to go. This unit is also very easy to clean. All you do is pull out the front, empty it out, and put it right back in. But my favorite feature about this robot is you can connect this to an app and control this with your phone, and also it connects to your home smart devices like Alexa. Let's see this in action. Once you connect your robot to your base, then you can download the app, and it's very easy to use. And all you do is hit clean and then enter. So my favorite feature about this app is you can manually control your robot. I absolutely had a blast using this robotic vacuum cleaner. And when you get done, you can tap recharge on the app, or you can tell Alexa to recharge the device for you. And just like that,